need to. See, I get a notification that says going live, and then 20 minutes later he's still not live. I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah, because he's got, you know.
It's live now.
It's
We're
live
live
right now. It just,
Oh, my bad.
you have to refresh.
Where's my? What'd you guys do with all the ashtrays?
They're over here.
Oh, okay.
Over there. All right, we cooking. We cooking.
Stand up again all night because all the chairs are over there.
We cooking. All right, look at that view. Look at that view. Gosh, love this view. I'm cooking dinner again, guys. Cooking dinner again. Oh, Trish, you're on. Hey, what's up, Trish? Oh yeah, the Blackstone getting a workout this weekend or this vacation. All right. What's up, guys? What's going on? What is going on? All right, look at that view. I'm having so much fun here on vacation. But tonight I'm cooking outside with the Schmidt. We're here in Gatlinburg. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, check out my YouTube, Cooking with the Schmidt. Subscribe, hit that bell so you get notifications when I start cooking. Daniel, what's up, man? What's going on, buddy? Tonight I got the whole family here. All the in-laws are here. Everybody's here. So tonight we're doing steaks, we're doing pork chops, we're doing Brussels sprouts and bacon, all on the Workhorse 22 Blackstone. It's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a good time.
How does it call the Adventure?
It's the Blackstone Adventure Ready,
Yeah.
but it's the 22-inch Blackstone.
Gotcha.
So, what I did, check this out, right? So, I got my steaks, I got the pork chops, I got the bacon with the Brussels sprouts. Oh, we ready. Oh, we ready. So, let's jump over here. Chad, what's going on, Chad? So, we're going to jump up onto the Blackstone here. And we're going to take us a little bit of oil. There we go.
It wasn't on there because he was on the grill.
Crazy things come out the woods here.
It's on now. It's on now.
All right. This is gonna be great, guys. This is gonna be great. So we're gonna start with the bacon. That was hilarious. Was that the Sasquatch?
Little juice already.
Oh, always a good time cooking with the Schmidt. So we got our bacon on. Now you guys know Trish loves her bacon and Brussels sprouts. So we're gonna do her up some bacon and Brussels sprouts. That was hilarious. Alright, so right now I got her on low. Probably gonna cook everything on low tonight. The steaks and pork chops are gonna be fun because everyone likes some different. So that's gonna be a good. So we got the bacon going. David Burns, what's going on, buddy? What's going on? Blackstone Betty's on?
Yeah.
Oh, what's going on, Blackstone Betty?
From West Virginia.
Oh yeah, my 22 getting a workout. So we'll just let that cook up a little bit. So y'all know I'm on a vacay, not in Florida. Up here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and had a blast. Today we went roller coaster through the mountains. Let me tell you, that was fun. And we did some snow tubing, and we've been having a blast. Now it's dinner time, so let's get back to dinner. All right, so bacon's going. I want to keep my grease for them Brussels sprouts. Yeah. There we go.
Brian's on.
What's up, Brian?
Chad. Tony. Tony Bermudez.
There we go. Look at that bacon cooking. Blackstone, you know, Blackstone loves some bacon. So I'm just getting them started right now. Getting the bacon kind of started. Now with the Brussels sprouts take some time. So what I like to do is get the bacon started and then add the Brussels sprouts and keep it going, because the bacon will keep cooking as the Brussels sprouts cook. That way you don't end up with burnt bacon trying to add it to Brussels sprouts before it's cooked. So what I'm going to do now, I got Brussels sprouts. Some nice fresh cut up Brussels sprouts. Oh, it's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. I'm going to save that bacon grease. That is all needed for the Brussels sprouts. Oh yeah, 22, working hard. Add us a little bit of oil, just a little bit. There we go. And now we just stir it all up. Get that bacon grease all mixed up in with the Brussels sprouts. Oh yeah. And this is gonna cook up so good. And then I got my dome, so I'll steam it. Actually might go a little higher on temp, because that's a lot to cool the Blackstone down.
Dad says hungry.
Huh?
Dad says hungry.
Your dad's on?
Yep.
Her dad's on, he's inside. He can come out here and watch.
Yeah, he's hungry. He's good, he's seasoned.
Oh, he had that yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm going. Oh, really? Yep.
So now, just mix it all up, let her cook. We'll just spread that all around.
Whoa.
Boom.
You need a bigger Blackstone. You put them steaks on at the same time.
I got the bigger one at home. But this Adventure Ready 22, it's a workhorse. It will cook just as good.
They were just going to get one of those little ones. But they couldn't find the store yesterday. So they were like,
Oh.
bought a whole new tank.
So, you know where you go down and instead of turning left, you turn right? There's a little
Bill
grocery
says
store right there?
ding,
Little grocery store right there? Sells them. Oh. So, yeah, that stinks.
ding. And Bill says ding ding.
Bill, ah.
Starting early.
We starting early, huh? All right, well, you asked for it, you get it. That's just the way it is. Cheers, guys. Cheers. I had a good bit last night, so tonight I'm not quite going so heavy. And plus, I got a lot of food to cook, so I got to make sure I can get through it all.
Derek says,
Derek, what's going on, buddy? Got them Brussels sprouts going. Oh man, these just look so delicious. So delicious. Yep, And then we would just let them cook for a bit. And again, 22 can't cook everything at once, but it does a heck of a job.
Just cook, Mom. And Derek says your sprouts look great.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Derek. I appreciate that. And you know, this is Trisha's favorite. And if I'm not making her Brussels sprouts when she wants Brussels sprouts, I don't hear the end of it. So she getting her Brussels sprouts. Oh, have you guys seen this view? Oh, sorry. I love this view. It's great.
Brian
It's
says
great.
you have a lot of pounds of Brussels sprouts.
Yes, it's a lot of pounds. I mean, they're not whole. I chopped them up. I chopped the Brussels sprouts up, so they are a little, you know, one turned into a lot more. But yes, but then there's 6 of us here, so everybody gonna get some Brussels sprouts. Oh yeah, those they look amazing. They look amazing. So we need a little oh, you know it. Oh, you know it.
That Parmesan. That Parmesan.
Parmesan ranch, baby.
You want me to taste test it for you?
I love Parmesan ranch, and it goes good on everything.
What about your breakfast this morning?
That breakfast this morning was really good. Oh yeah, so I got up this morning. I didn't do it live because y'all were sleeping, but we made pancakes, we made eggs, we made bacon, ham. It was the works. I got the new Blackstone egg, the 6-egg circle maker. Jeff, what's up, Jeff? That's my boy Jeff Dalby's on. But yeah, so I got the 6-ring maker, egg maker. We made eggs and pancakes with that. Oh, it turned out so good. It turned out so good. So now what we're gonna do is we're kind of bring everything to the middle. Get us a nice. Oh, they smell so good.
Anthony says looks great.
What's that?
Anthony says looks great.
Oh, thanks, Anthony. This is gonna be so good. So now I'm gonna get everything in a, you know, circle, and use my dome and water to steam to help the Brussels sprouts cook up a little bit more. Yep, we're good. That is a lot of Brussels sprouts. Get in there. And there they go, steaming. We'll let them sit and steam for a bit.
Anthony wants to know, like his bacon and stuff was sticking when he was cooking his Brussels sprouts and bacon.
Uh-huh.
He seasoned it 4 times and it was still sticking. Is it because it's new or does he need to season it more?
When the Blackstone is new, what I've seen and got from some other people is when the Blackstone is new, animal fat sticks. So what you want to do is when you season it, I learned from Blackstone Betty and Todd and them use onions first, cook onions. You want to cook some other things on there before you use something with the animal fat. After that, you should be good to go with the bacon. So give that a try. And oil, can't go wrong with putting some oil down before you put the bacon down. That helps too. Yeah, so you give that a try. Give that a try. Yes, Daniel, that dome is full. Look, ready? Full dome. Like, I don't even have room for water. But we'll let it sit in there and stir it up. Mmm. Mmm. I can't wait to put these steaks and pork chops on too. That's gonna be fun. Fun. Oh, and look, there she is, my hero. Hey, no problem, Anthony. If I can help, anything I've learned along the way, I am happy to share. I just, watch a lot of other people's cooks, take in little bits here and there, and so far it's helped. It's helped out a lot. I mean, like even here, my 22 here, my bacon still sticks a little bit. Animal fat just, it does that. Especially from bacon, but not too bad. But look, it's starting to brown up. Oh yeah, they're gonna be good. Ooh, got any questions on there, honey? Anyone ask us some questions?
No, Daniel just said he likes to learn by watching others also.
Yeah, it's a good way to learn. I watch a lot of people cook, following them on YouTube and stuff. Which, you can follow me too. But I do it, and I might, someone might make something one way. I'll take the idea and change it up just a little bit to better suit me or my taste buds. So, if someone uses pepper, I might use, what's the other pepper?
Lemon pepper?
No, the peppercorn pepper.
Yeah.
So if someone uses like regular pepper, I might use peppercorn pepper, or, you can always change it up to better please your taste buds and things like that. But it's all learning. It's all learning and getting what you like. Oh my God, all right, what we got? Oh, ding ding. Ding ding, Daniel. Yeah, Daniel, I'm calling you out. Ding ding to you.
Oh, that's what's great about Griddle Nation. You can make it your way. I like that.
Yep. There is no right way or wrong way. It's your way.
Ding ding.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Ding ding.
Oh no. Cheers. Yeah, Anthony had a problem with his pancakes and bacon. He thinks he might have had the burners too high.
Yeah, pancakes, you want the burners low. Because you want them to cook and brown up, but it's got to bubble through. And if it's too high, it'll just burn.
Oh, Daniel's got his water. Good job.
Hey, griddle juice is griddle juice, no matter what it is.
So he said ding. Daniel said ding.
Can you get me that Red Bull in there, please? I forgot that. Oh yeah, see, look, see how I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. See how it's browning, getting a little crispy on the edges.
You don't want to taste that?
You can go for it. Try a piece of that. See how good we
I
are.
think it was a burnt one.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh, Anthony got some new utensils, so hopefully all that'll help, he says.
Oh,
too.
nice. I want to see some pictures, Anthony, when you get that, when you start doing some cooks. Take some pictures. You can share them on my page or whatever. I love seeing people's pictures and people's cooking. That way it gives me some ideas to do too. Oh yeah. So I'm going to have to call those done. Because those are nice and tender. Not too hard. Because they're Brussels sprouts. You don't cook them long enough, they'll still be hard on the inside. So, I got to get my shovel. Oh yeah. Stir these up. gosh, that just looks delicious.
Yeah, I want to eat it.
Try Brussels sprouts. Tell me if they're done on the inside.
Uh-oh.
Soften up and he's steamed more. Good? All right.
Like a shovel to me?
Yes, that is the shovel. So that just makes...
Oh, Daniel. Daniel tries to share, but he says he's definitely not a cameraman by seeing others' plating skills. So just do it.
Bro,
Just do
I've
it.
seen some of your videos, dude. I like them. Don't be scared. I've seen your videos.
Sean Clifford is a noob, and he wants to know the best way to season a new unit.
There's so many different ways to do it. There's not a right, there's not a wrong. I can tell you how I do mine. How I've done mine is turn it on, get it hot, get it real hot. Look at this, my Brussels sprouts. Oh, buddy. But you get it real hot, and then, sorry. Get the Blackstone real hot, and then put on some, you can use, I've done both. You can use like a canola oil, flaxseed, whatever oil you want to use, really, as long as it's an oil. Put down a super thin coat. Now, I use the Blackstone Seasoning because it's a seasoning and conditioner. Works really well. Put that down, spread it around, thin, super thin coats, and just let it burn off. When it stops smoking, do it again. 4, 5, 6, 8 times, however many times you want to do it. It can't hurt. But where your Blackstone starts to turn black, outsides will stay not black, but that's what I do. You can't mess it up.
Yeah, and Blackstone Betty has a video on YouTube about that as
Oh
well.
yeah, Blackstone
Yep.
Betty does have a video on how to do it, which is actually the one I watched to do mine. So again, that the videos of it's awesome how everybody just posts their stuff, helps out so much.
And even Anthony, he doesn't have a Blackstone. His wife bought him a different version, but
Oh, same thing. As long as it's the cold rolled steel. If it's the stainless steel type, don't ask me, I have no clue. But if it's the cold rolled steel, like I know there's a Next grill that's like that, I believe. It same way. All right, so now let's get ready for the meat. Now I do like my bigger spout hole in the back of my bigger ones, but this will work. You never realize how much you miss your 36 after you've been. I got my 36 and I haven't touched this thing in months. I want 8 months. I pulled her out. She fired right up, rolling. All right. So now for the meat, we'll put down some more oil. Spread around. And then what we're gonna do, let's clean this off here. There we go. So let's go and put on a pork chop. Ooh. Uh-huh. There we go. Got our pork chops on. Now we're gonna bust out some steaks. Now I'm at about a medium heat. Actually medium low. More towards the low.
Wow, that little thing holds a lot.
Yeah, it does. 22 will hold it all.
Man, at least 6 people on it.
Yeah.
Daniel said, I hope you have some Korean sweet fire on those chops.
I am actually using a roasted garlic and herb seasoning on a couple pork chops, and then just salt and pepper on the others. And then on my steaks, I got the Pepper Palace steak butter that I love, like absolutely love. This stuff is, if you can find you a Pepper Palace and pick some of this up, it's really good too.
Do you have any ideas where Melissa can get a replacement lid? She has 4 of these and one of her lids needs replaced. 4 of these.
You might be able to contact Melissa. You might be able to contact Blackstone maybe, and see if they might be able to help you out. But other than that, I'm sorry, I do not know where to get one. Besides like something custom or something like that. But you can try reaching out to Blackstone. They might be able to help you out. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, and the smell.
Brian says, you're eating good on vacation.
Oh, yes, gotta eat good on vacation. Gotta eat good. Gotta eat.
Trish said ding.
Who said ding?
Trish said ding.
Trish said ding? You can't say ding.
Why not?
You're
What?
you're not helping.
I'm so sorry.
Well, it's getting darker. Look, oh, there it is. It's so nice. It's so nice. All right, so now we got. Just let them cook. So what I'm actually gonna do is
Mike's on.
get my butter spray out. Mike McCord, what's going on, buddy?
Oh, Brian Stubbins said ding ding.
Ha! Which one is yours? We do have an extra pork chop. Daniel, we're staying till we're leaving Sunday, so we're here all week. Leaving Sunday, and then head back to Florida. But we're gonna make the best of it, the best we can, and eat good.
Christina said ding ding.
Y'all gonna make me burn these steaks.
Yeah. Mom wants hers burned.
Right?
Yeah, right. What's up, Mike? What's going on? So yeah, so now we just have you say you want a paper towel?
No.
Oh. So now we just let them cook for a bit. They're gonna take a little bit, you know. It's a lot of cold meat I put on there, so it's gotta warm back up and counter, you know how that works. Put cold on warm, it's gotta warm back up. But I tell you, they smell good. They smell real good. Real good.
Oh, Mike said 6 hours he'll be here.
He's not far away. Oh yeah.
Oh, Brian says we are the team of misleaders. Ding.
Oh, gonna make me drink again. You guys are awesome. I appreciate you guys watching and following and supporting and everything. Thank you very much.
Daniel can make it in 5. We should plan a trip like that. We all just meet here.
Yeah, do like a central point.
Yeah.
And just all meet here.
Yeah. And just.
We might have to do something like that. Like everybody meet, just have a big, kind of like a car meet type thing, but Blackstone meet, and just all meet up and hang out and chit chat and cook on the Blackstones and have a good time and drink griddle juice and ding ding all the time. Could be fun. And I tell you though, No.
Mike has a chicken boob on now. Chicken boob.
What's a chicken, bro?
Oh, breast. I'm assuming that means breast.
Oh, yes.
Block party.
Yeah.
Oh, John can be here in 3.
So this might have to be like the central spot. It's
Mike says, pick me up. Christina's good.
That's funny.
She says she'll come too.
We might just have to set something up like that, like a Blackstone meet. That would be a blast, I think.
Oh, I guess Mike's parents are down this way somewhere.
Oh, he said meet at your parents.
Oh, meet at your parents. My bad. I guess he meant your parents.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to have car shows at or car meets at my parents' house all the time. Back in the day when I was, doing a little race car thing when I was younger. And we would I'd have 30 cars in the yard. So my parents are not opposed to doing it. Oh man. So yeah, we got some let's go ahead and give a little flip.
Johnny says burn his.
Ready? Oh, nope. Before I do that. What I'm going to do.
We got the cooler, the Easy Up tent, and a Blackstone. Let's go.
Yep, that's all we need. Shoot. What I'm doing here is I got a cup of melted butter. And I am melting
That was mine.
butter and putting it on the steak. And then I'll put my seasonings on. Some people don't like butter. You don't have to use butter.
Your dad uses butter on all the steaks.
Yes.
After they're cooked.
Yes, he does.
Oh.
And then we'll take the seasoning.
Oh, Mike's got 3.5 acres with a pond. Let's go there.
Yeah, we can go fishing.
Go fishing. Melissa says looking good.
Thank you.
That is pork chops I've never seen.
Pork chop steak.
No, these are pork chops, honey.
No? Really?
These are pork chops. These are steaks.
They're the fattest pork chops I've ever seen.
Guess what? They are some fat pork chops.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
My head in there.
Just gotta make sure I get the right one. Salt and pepper. That's these two back here. Donnie wanted salt and pepper on his.
Right.
So make sure I get the salt and peppers.
Huh? That's a lot of pepper.
He said a lot of pepper.
Don't overdo it.
That's a lot of pepper.
They want to meet at Mike's. I was like, I can't cook, but I can fetch stuff.
And a little bit of salt. There, that's it right there.
That is a lot of pepper.
And these bad boys are getting that roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Because I believe in seasonings.
Daniel wants a picture of the steak seasoning when you post the video.
Okay.
Post next.
You need a meat prep.
Got one.
Like
That's my steak seasoning. But I'll send you a pic of it. But that's good stuff. I just couldn't bring everything. All right, so now let's flip these pork chops. Who's hungry for a pork chop?
I got steak. Oh.
They're big enough, Mom. I'm sure we can cut them in half.
There we go. And we got some yummy pork chops. Let me put this back. You know, see? There we go. Now we're going to flip those steaks, Brenda.
Don't flip mine.
I ain't going to flip yours.
It ain't done yet. Whoa, that looks good. As long as it's not walking.
Oh, no.
See, you guys could have steak.
Oh my God, I had pork chop.
And we'll leave yours.
steak.
We'll leave yours
I'm
going.
having steak.
So, Brenda, my mother-in-law, likes her steak burnt, so.
Did you check the tongs first? You got to click them a time or two.
Oh, yes. That's number one rule. Number two rule, I mean. Number one rule is grill juice. But yeah, okay, guys. So this is like full of ultimate. Just my nose is like full of. Smells so good. And I got Trish hugging the lids in the Blackstone. Look.
So cold.
She's trying to stay warm. But yeah, these it's all looking pretty good. It's all looking pretty good.
Wow. They look good. This pork chop looking good.
How long is the potato steak?
Like 5 minutes.
Yeah, not long.
The 22 inches beef, says Mike.
Yes, Mike. Yes. Me and Mike did a cook on my parents' 22. We made salad. We did that. And we made tacos. Pulled pork tacos. And yes, the 22 is a workhorse. Total workhorse.
Chad says you should put pepper near the end of the cook before it burns off. Learn something new every day, right?
Yeah.
Put what?
I'll take it. I'll take it. What's the temp here? I want to say it's getting cold.
Cold.
It's getting cold. Like last night I had my jacket and hoodie on, and I'm almost ready to go get it again. It's
50 right now.
it's like 50. Yeah, it's cold.
And Jeff says, looks phenomenal.
Thank you. Love it. Yeah.
The meat smell.
It's all good. We all got different taste buds. Everybody got different taste buds, you know? You want a little different, we do a little different.
And Daniel says Floridian.
I'm originally from Virginia. When I used to sit in 2 feet of snow all day hunting. I love the cold. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate it. Hey, guys, here's my link. Mike just posted my link for YouTube. Go check it out. Hit that subscribe, hit that bell, follow me. Tons of cooks on there and tons more coming. Always coming up with new ideas. So if you like what you see, I appreciate it. And click that subscribe. And I'll see you on the next cook. I'm not done yet. I'm not leaving. I'm still here. But, ooh. All right. Cold. You're getting cold.
Getting hungry.
Are you hungry?
Everybody's hungry.
Everybody hungry? Well, guess what? Food is cooking. Maybe I'll close the lid. Close the lid up. Now look at it.
Tomorrow we're changing locations. We're going to Gatlinburg.
Yeah, so tonight we're in Seaverville. Is it Seaverville? Seaverville?
Like Pigeon Forge, Pigeonville.
Pigeon Forge area. So we got the cabin at. So we're hanging out here. Tomorrow we'll be switching locations and going actually to Gatlinburg. So if everything works out right, I might try and sneak another cook in this week or something. Maybe. I try. But yeah, you know, we're having fun. It's a blast. Oh, Daniel, my boy Edwin, the guy who does my editing. Great job he does. But he does my editing and my videoing, or a lot of my videoing. He is staying at my house, taking care of all the animals, all the dogs, the cats, the fish, the turtles, all of them. Great guy he is, great guy. Oh, you open that lid and that smell like hits my beard, and now it's like I can just smell it. But it smells really good too. And this is just the part that takes a little bit longer, but it looks so good. So this one we're going to flip. Oh yeah, definitely going to have to leave the moms on for a little bit longer and let her burn. But what we're going to do is we're just going to keep this up. Hello, dude. You got any more questions on there, honey?
No, no more questions. Ben.
No, not yet. Okay.
No.
Well,
They're all just hanging out. It's a Tuesday. Or
Yeah.
Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
What day is it?
It's Wednesday hangout night. Hangout night. with the Blackstone.
Daniel says that last steak needs a few more minutes on that side.
You think? I don't know. Maybe it does. I'm sure I'll probably end up flipping it again. Thank you, Melissa. We are having fun. So much fun already. So I appreciate you watching, and we will continue to have fun. I promise. Because when you're cooking with the Schmidt, you're having fun. Now it's just time. What's up, guys? What's going on? What's y'all up to? It ain't Friday yet. It's not there yet.
Whew.
What'd you guys cook? Anybody cook anything tonight? Or getting ready to cook something? I got time to kill this meat cooking.
Woo.
Brussels sprouts.
Oh, Mark said, where's the Brussels sprouts?
They're right here. They're in a bowl with the lid. Keep them warm. Actually, you wouldn't mind run those in the house. It's cold out here. They get cold. So we'll put them in the house. Yes. Deer tacos. Bill, deer tacos. Ooh, that's, oh, I like that. I like that. Oh, let's make some ribs. Meatloaf. Jeff, you making a meatloaf? Awesome. Great music. You don't hear my music. YouTube don't like that. It's playing in the background. I got some classic rock on. Just enjoying it, you know. It's having a good time enjoying it. Chicken smashed potatoes. Chad, you did those smashed potatoes? How'd they turn out? Oh, I've been wanting to do those again. I did those a little bit ago, and they were so good. I so want to do those again.
Oh, Jeff made meatloaf.
Yeah, he did. Jeff made meatloaf. And Daniel had a salad. Salad? No, I'm just kidding, dude.
Sounds
Trish
great.
loves her a salad. Loves it. I'm not big on salads unless it's got some meat in it. But salads are good.
What is piccata pasta?
Cooking up some piccata pasta on the stone. What is a piccata pasta? I mean, I know what piccata pasta is, but how are you cooking that on the stone? Yeah, I want to see pictures of that.
Ooh, street tacos.
Oh, Chris, you did street tacos?
Hibachi for Brian.
I did these shrimp street tacos for Trish one time. Well, I originally did them up in Virginia at my boy Jeff's house. And then had to do them again at home because they were so good. And, oh, you guys gotta check that video out. They were phenomenal. Phenomenal. Parmesan cheese and butter. That's the way to go. That is the way to go with smashed potatoes. That's awesome. Keto, March 1st. You started keto? Ooh, that's tough to start. Once you get going, it's good. But when you start, that's tough. You're knocking out a lot of good stuff.
Oh, Brian did hibachi. Yum.
Hibachi's yummy. Holy pork chops look good. Are you getting warm?
So cold.
She's sticking her hand in.
So cold.
Well, I can say that I'm not, like, the wind and whatnot, I'm not worried about the wind out here. Because the wind is going good.
Ooh, we have smoked meatloaf.
Smoked meatloaf.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Yeah.
That was John Burnett.
John, you made smoked, like, did you, like, create it and put it in a meatloaf? And then put it in a smoker? Is that how you did it?
Are you posting this live video later? Anthony wants to watch it.
Yeah, I'm gonna post it later. It'll be on Blackstone Life as well, but I'm gonna post it on the YouTubes. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah.
It's getting cold. Not only is it cooking my food, it's keeping me warm. Those look so good. They look so good.
Oh, Mike posted your rewatch here.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike. There's always good people on here. I love cooking with these guys. Yeah, looks like it might have some time to go. But, you know, I'm not trying to do it too fast. Because we're doing a different cook than like on a grill. But they're definitely getting done. Definitely getting done. Brian, yes, that is straight meat porn. Like, that is... Honey, can I see your phone? I gotta get a picture of this. Because that is just straight. There we go. Got it. Save that for later. That sizzle's great, right? That sizzle is sizzling. David, actually, I have a, I got the 36 air fryer at home, but I'm on vacation up well, I live in Florida. I got my 36-inch air fryer there, but my 22 is my adventure ready. So I pack that up, throw it in the car, and take it with me. So that way I can, you know, come to you live wherever I'm at. But yes. When I get back home, I'll be right back on the 36. So, how long does it take for a pork chop to cook in the oven?
6 minutes aside. 1 minute sear on each side and 6 minutes aside on the grill. Boom, done.
We'll cook on the Blackstone.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's check these guys out. Okay, we're looking good.
Okay.
I'm gonna need a plate. So I'm checking out. I didn't bring a thermometer, so I'm checking out my coloring on the inside, and it's looking delicious. Steak are probably looking good. We are done. All right, so we are good to go. All right. So what we're gonna do? Hey, thanks, Brian. I appreciate that. He can read the flyer. He can read the flyer. All right, so here we go. We got them bad boys right there.
Long enough. I'm gonna go make both.
Go for it. I got it. Boom. And there is our pork chops. Uh-huh. Look at that. So, mother-in-law likes it burnt, so we're going to let her sit a little bit longer. That one is DUN, done. This one is D-U-N done. We're gonna let that sizzle and burn up and get nice and crispy. And guys, I appreciate y'all hanging in there and hanging out. But that there is that's dinner. That's dinner. So can't go wrong with that. So guys, again, I appreciate you watching. I have a blast with you all the time. And until next time, well, I'll catch you next time. Alright guys, you have a good one. And I'll be posting plenty of videos and pics of the vacation. So keep an eye out for that too. Alright guys, later.